What is the significance of Terry v. Ohio? Have you ever wondered how police can stop and search someone without a warrant? The case of Terry v. Ohio is key to understanding this. This landmark Supreme Court decision from 1968 changed how police interact with citizens and how society controls crime. The ruling established that law enforcement officers could stop and briefly detain individuals if they had reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. This standard is lower than probable cause, which means officers have more leeway in deciding when to intervene. This decision laid the groundwork for stop-and-frisk policies, which allow police to pat down individuals for weapons if they suspect they might be involved in a crime. While this was intended to enhance public safety, it has raised significant concerns about how these practices affect marginalized communities. Research shows that stop and frisk often targets Black and Latino populations disproportionately. This reflects broader societal biases that exist within law enforcement. The reasonable suspicion standard gives officers a lot of discretion, which can lead to unequal treatment. For instance, if an officer has implicit biases, they may be more likely to stop individuals from certain neighborhoods. This can create a cycle of surveillance and criminalization that affects entire communities. Terry v. Ohio also highlights a tension between individual rights and public safety. While the ruling aimed to balance these two interests, critics argue that it normalizes intrusive police practices. This has sparked debates about racial profiling and civil liberties. The case illustrates how legal decisions can shape the way society defines and manages deviance. In modern policing, the legacy of Terry is evident in strategies that focus on preemptive intervention. However, many sociologists critique these methods for perpetuating existing inequalities. Stops often lack transparency and accountability, raising questions about their effectiveness. The case remains central in discussions about the role of policing in maintaining social order and how legal frameworks can reflect societal power dynamics. Understanding the significance of Terry v. Ohio helps us grasp the complexities of policing and social control in our communities. It encourages ongoing conversations about how we can create a fairer system that respects individual rights while ensuring public safety.